Hello children, welcome for this video class. I am Sister Bimla. I will be taking English class for you. Children, today I am going to take lesson number 1 from an English course book, An Hour of Sharing. From your English course book, lesson number 1, An Hour of Sharing. Children, in this lesson we have 4 characters: father, mother, daughter and son. In this lesson there are 4 characters. This is a small family. In this family, father is there, mother is there, son is there and daughter is there. The name of the son is Vishu and the name of the daughter is Vinny. So this is a small family. Vishu and his family are getting ready for dinner. Vishu's father sets the table. His little sister Vinny also helps in setting the table. Vishu's mother carries the food to the table. What's for dessert, mom? Vishu asked his mother after dinner. Now they have finished eating their dinner, you think? And soon after the dinner, Vishu asked his mother, what's for dessert, mom? So, mom says, I have baked a pineapple cake. Yummy. Vinny says, I love pineapple cake. So, Vinny likes pineapple cake, and not only Vinny, even Vishu also likes pineapple cake. So, he says immediately, can I have 30 minutes of cake? Who says? Vishu says to his mother with a big smiling face, can I have 30 minutes of cake? 30 minutes of cake? Vinny says, asks, what does that mean? Mrs. Wall is English teacher telling the time, says Vishu, still smiling. Vishu is in grade 2, as you are also in grade 2 or in class 2, isn't it? Yes. Mrs. Paul is maths teacher and she is teaching them how to tell the time or how to divide the time into 2 sections of 30 minutes, just like cake. We can divide the clock into 32 parts. Half part of the cake is 30 minutes and another half part of the cake also you can divide it into other 30 minutes. So, Vishu asked, I want 30 minutes of cake, isn't it? 30 minutes of cake. If you divide the cake into 2 parts, one part will be half and another part will be another half, isn't it? So, half part is 30 minutes. When we divide the cake, you think this is the pineapple cake. This is the pineapple cake. If we divide the cake into 2 pieces, one piece will be half, another part of the cake will be another half. Okay, so if you ask half of the cake, what about others? Others also have to get the equal part of the cake, isn't it? Yes. So, Vishu's father says, no my son, you can have only 10 minutes of cake. You can have only 10 minutes of cake. 10 minutes of cake means less than half, also less than quarter. Okay, this is the quarter part and this is less than quarter part. So, in the clock each number indicates 5 minutes. In an hour, we know that in an hour we have 60 seconds, 60 minutes and then 1 hour. Okay. So, Vishu asked, I want 30 minutes of cake. So, what does his father say? No, you can have only 10 minutes of cake because Vishu is small. Children, what do you mean by dessert? Vishu asked his mother, isn't it? What's dessert, mom? What's for dessert, mom? So, dessert is the Any sweet dish which can be eaten after a meal. You have to pay attention to the spelling. Dessert. D-E-S-S-E-R-T. Dessert means a sweet dish usually eaten after a meal. If you write the spelling D-E-S-E-R-T, dessert, with mistake, the meaning will change. D-E-S-E-R-T, desert means Registan. In Hindi, we say Registan desert, okay? And here, D-E-S-S-E-R-T, desert means a sweet dish usually eaten after a meal. So children, in this lesson, Vishu is very easily comparing the division of cake into division of time. So it's very good. You also should learn how to compare things in life. Practically, he understood how to compare the things with situation. So he says, I have to have 30 minutes of cake. And father also is a very clever man. He also says, no son, you can have only 10 minutes of cake. Now tell me, in Vishu's family there are 4 members, isn't it? So each member should get how many minutes of cake? If we divide the cake equally, they have to get 15 minutes of cake each one, isn't it? Yes. Because there are 4 members, if we divide the cake into 4 pieces, each will get 15 minutes of cake. Children, in this video, you have learnt the concept or understand the lesson and art of sharing. This speaks about how they share the work also with each other. They help one another, isn't it? Yes. Father is setting the table and Vinny also helping his father to set the table. And Vishu also may be busy helping the mother to bring the dish, and mummy is keeping the dishes on the table for the meal. And they also share their work, and now they have to share the cake also equally, isn't it? When they divide the cake into 4 pieces, they can have 15 minutes of cake each one. Okay children, you also should help at home in the household work to your mummy and papa, and your sisters or elderly sister or grandfather, grandmother ask any work, you should not hesitate, you should help them, so that you also will learn how to share the work and also the things equally, how to share it. So this lesson teaches us the moral that we should equally share the work at home, and also you should obey and cooperate with your parents in helping in their works, and also things you should share it properly with your little sister or with the other members of the family. You should not be greedy and ask for more things. You should accept the situation at home. You should understand the problems of your parents and you should help them out. Okay children, I will sending the notes for you based on this lesson. Before that, I will be sending one more video clip how to read the lesson. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.